Your habits create your life. So if you want to create your dream life, change your habits. Hi there, this is Subhish Menon, and the next few minutes you will find out how you can change your old habits and install new habits so that you can live a dream life. Now for this, I would request you to, maybe after the video, you can just take a piece of paper and divide it into two columns. On the top of the first column, write down the old habit which you want to change. Maybe it can be like waking up at 8 a.m., which is an old habit, okay, or the current habit. And the new habit also you write down, which can be like waking up at 5 a.m. Now below this old habit, write down an immediate pleasure you are getting, an immediate pleasure. So that can be, let's say, if it is waking up at 8 a.m., it can be like you get that cozy, that more relaxed feeling when you're sleeping in your bed with your blanket on the top. So that can be an immediate pleasure. And also you need to write down a long-term pain if you continue doing this habit, because that's very important. So what happens if you keep sleeping till 8 a.m.? You may lose your health, because you may not be eating properly at the right time, and you may not be able to do exercise. So because of that, your health can go down. So it's very important to feel the pain of continuing this habit. By continuing this habit, how you're going to feel. It's very important, because if there is no pain, then you don't want to change your habit, right? Because there's a pain and you see it, you see what is going to do for me in the future, is prompting you to change this habit, right? Okay, great. So immediate pleasure and long-term pain. And similarly for the new habit, that is when you wake up at 5 a.m. or whatever habit you're writing, again an immediate pleasure and a long-term pleasure, not pain, long-term pleasure. So for example, waking up at 5 a.m., the immediate pleasure is, for example, maybe your spouse also gets up at 5 a.m. already, and so when she or he sees you, they appreciate you. Okay. Another thing is, when you get up in the morning, you have this feeling that you have more time, and that can also make you happy. So these are all immediate pleasures of your new habit. And the last one, as I told you, is your long-term pleasure. Long-term pleasure you link into the new habit. So what you need to do is, once you write all these points, you need to really focus on your long-term pleasure and long-term pain. Long-term pleasure of the new habit and long-term pain. And just analyze which is more important for you. Because most of the time we are living in a modern world, we are living a fast-paced life, and we don't care about long terms. But it's very important to put your vision on the long term, so that you will feel the need, you will get motivated to actually change your current habit and install this new habit. So long-term pleasure and pain is very important. Write down the points if you want, and feel it, and actually feel it, so that you will see that scene in the long term, what it's going to do to you. Now, immediate pleasure, why it is important is because, as we all know, we have this inertia, so we may not do it thinking about this long-term plan. We will say, okay, it's long-term, let me live now. But you need to understand or feel that immediate pleasure also, so that you will start doing that habit. Okay, so I hope I am able to make you feel why it is important to change your old habits. And it's a very simple exercise which you can do. You can take any of your habit and do it, and keep improving and changing your habits, so that you can become the best version of yourself. See you next time. Thank you.